a quick garden walk to let you know what's growing on this yard as of today. This is June the 15th, I believe. This month is really getting away from us. It's already halfway through June 15, 2020. And so I'm going to start over here. I usually start at the right end of the garden, but I'm going to start at the left today on this particular garden walk. But let's come over here and I will share with you what's going on at this side, this left side of the garden. So, I'm not sure if you guys have been following or paying attention to this area, but there was a tree here that I had, and I took the saw to it because for 2 years in a row, it just wasn't producing, and I just didn't want it over here. Point blank, period. I didn't want it here. This was someone else's hopes and dreams, and I chopped it all down. I tried to dig up the stump, but it's going to take a couple of days for me to get that out. It was a real workout just to kind of cut it down, but it's over here in this tire, and this is the area that I am composting in right now. That tire, as well as this particular area when my husband cuts the grass in the front, he brings it over here to this composting pile. I am not currently turning it. No. So that's what's going on over here. I've been bringing my juice pulp to the tire, the inside of the tire, and it's a beautiful thing because there's nothing at the bottom of it. It just goes right into the dirt. So I thought that if I brought the compost, started composting in that tire and not growing in it this summer season, that whatever's in that tire would feed whatever roots are in there. So I'm not sure how to break that down, but it is what it is. This area is just underdeveloped, and I'm composting in it for right now because I don't want to grow in it at this time. But moving right along, I'm not sure what I want to put here, or I do know what I want to put here. I thought about putting the avocado trees in this area, but then I said, no, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. My grapevine is growing like crazy. It's actually doesn't have any grapes on it right now, but it is, what? Wait, nope, that ain't no grapes. But it's flourishing. It's really thriving. So I'm gonna let it keep on thriving. Maybe next year we'll have grapes, but I want to actually see if I can take a piece of it and make several pieces of it and make some more grapevines. But I'm gonna need a little bit of help with that, and that'll be soon to follow. But that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't really want any more trees at this time, and if I did, I don't know what they would be. I got the avocado trees, and I'm still debating on exactly what position I want them on in the garden. Just to give you a little bit of history about this grapevine, I actually didn't have it here to start. I had it at another place in the garden where I have those 2 chairs at, and it didn't do well at all. So I moved it here, and it seems to be doing well. And sometimes you will find that to be true. I heard another gardener say sometimes if you plant a certain thing in a certain place, that it might not thrive there, but you have to move it, maybe move it to a different position, and it might do a little bit better. So I did that. I moved it over here, and it seems to be doing very well. All the leaves fell off of it altogether in the wintertime, and they're coming back very nicely. You will see in the back over here, there are corn, and there was supposed to be sunflowers as well. I think there are some sunflowers over there, maybe a couple. And if you look a little bit closer, you will see that there are some corn, but it's not doing very well over here. I planted, yeah, there's the corn right behind there. And then there's another one right here. But I planted these at the same time as I planted those going along over there, and they are thriving as the ones over here. So like I said before, with the grapevine, you will have to make sure that where you plant things in your garden, that whatever that particular thing is will thrive in that area, and you just kind of have to experiment along with it a little bit. This is the first time that I've had sunflowers in this particular area, and they are doing very well. So pretty soon I should be getting ahead from these. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's some corn. They're a little bit too close together. I thought about separating them, but I don't know, because my transplant rate is not that good, so I might just leave them there and see what happens. There's one of them that fell over, so I might try to pick that up. In here I planted some cucumbers and squash, and I rotated them. So that's a cucumber right there. It survived. I planted another one right there and it died. So I got another seed coming right behind it because I don't do too well. I've tried several things and it just didn't work for me. So try again. Never give up, right? So that's what I've been doing. Just coming back to it and trying it again. Experimenting with things. Like I said, I planted some green beans over here, and a couple of them are laying over. We'll see what happens with those. If they do, it's okay. I got several packs of them coming along. But I put this pepper plant that I got. It's a Bonnie plant. I got it from Walmart. I put it in this watering can and stuck my label on it, and it looks really cute. It looks cute right here. But I noticed that this plant is doing pretty good in here because there's some peppers coming on. And there's also, well, there's one right there. And then there's some blooms coming. So it must be doing okay in the watering can. I put some holes at the bottom of it, drilled some holes in there, and it seems to be doing well. So moving along over here, I had a squash plant in this bag, this grow bag, and it died. And so I planted another handful in there to see what would happen with them. Right there is my miniature grapefruit tree, and it looked like it was dying for a while. I'm not sure what was going on with it, but it seems to be doing okay now. There's a couple of grapefruit hanging on there, and it seems to be doing okay. But I brought that in several months ago, and we'll see. Green beans over here. Not sure what I'm gonna put over here, but I've been wetting the soil and moving the rocks over a little bit because there's rocks all along this area, and I just want something to vine up right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna plant down there, but just right in this particular area I want something that'll be vining, but not that'll be in the walkway. Okay, and let's come over here. I'll go ahead and cover this area too. I have this roses that I believe I've talked about before, but they are doing very well in this particular area of this pond that I filled with dirt. I had about 4 or 5 of these roses, maybe 6, I don't remember, but this one is thriving and it's really growing out. I didn't trim it this year, but it's thriving, and I didn't think that it would do so well, but it is. And I got some discount plants over at Home Depot, and like I said, my transplant rate is not that great, but I don't know what this is. Let me see. I have no idea. Let me see. What is this? Calamundan. I don't think that's Calamundan, but I don't know. Okay, so it says Calamundan. I have no idea, but remember last garden walk I brought you this plant? Well, it's growing, and whatever it is, I think it's lilies, but I don't know. Still don't know. So if you guys know and you're watching this video, let me know. Put it in the comment section exactly what it is, and that way I can know what's growing on over here. I did also plant some marigolds in here. I hadn't done too well with marigolds this season so far, and in spring either, But these seem to be doing good. These in this part, this must be really rich, because whatever is coming in this area right now, it's doing really good. There is also a marigold growing over there that I did not plant. So it could have come from something that I tried to plant maybe last year and had some seeds on it. I also planted some other flowers in here. I forgot what they were because came out here one day and just started dropping seeds. When they come up, if they ever come up, we'll know what they are. Let's see. I'm gonna come in here. The peas, I don't really know the condition of them. The leaves are changing. They're still growing, but I don't know what they're gonna be like. Trying to kind of just get them to latch on to this trellis, but maybe later. Oh yeah, I got this butterfly. I love this butterfly. It's so cute. And so I think it goes with just my little area and what I want to have achieve a place where I can come, you know, and not just garden, but have it be my little sanctuary meditation / prayer area. So, and I have been coming out here some time of the day. Let's come and see what's in here, what I got growing on. I put some lettuce in here and also some spinach. So that's spinach at the bottom and this is lettuce, and I have the multicolored basil up here. One is just regular basil and the other one is a purple basil. I'm happy to say that they are not going to seed. So I took some of this basil and put it on a fresh pizza that I made over the weekend, Saturday with the kids, which was really nice. Remember this trellis that was over there and I said I had no idea where I would bring it? Well, I had one of these metal buckets that I got on clearance from Walmart last year, and it fit in there nicely. I don't know if you could see the bottom, but it fits in there very nicely. So I haven't decided what I'm gonna put in this, but whatever it is, it's gonna be vining so I could climb up this trellis. But I thought that when I come out here and sit, that it would be nice to see something crawling up this trellis. I haven't decided if it's gonna be edible or non-edible. I don't know, we'll see. This is looking like, I love it. Oh, look at this. This is the basket that I got that had the succulents in it. This is going to flower. I don't know nothing about succulents, and right now, I'm not sure that I want to learn, but there's time, I think, for me to. The fruit did drop off the avocado trees that I got, so I'm still not going to transplant them yet. There's some tomatoes in there, and whatever seeds fell out of the bird feeder that I put out here, I need to refill it. But those birds, that's like the third time in about a week that I had to refill that bird feeder up, and I didn't get no stimulus for these birds and their food. So they can be pricey, but anyway, I got a big huge bag and I just need to fill it up. So that's what I'll be doing sometime this week, is filling that up. But I noticed that they are messy too, because what's growing on in here is whatever fell out of that bird feeder. So I just put some dirt in there, whatever fell. I don't know what those seeds are. And also along here in this pond, it must be pretty rich, because whatever fell out of that bird feeder is also growing here. You can see. Can you see that? Yeah. So that right there is corn, and that little, not corn, carrots, multicolored carrots, and I'm gonna transplant them. I just wanted to see if they would grow right now. I'm gonna transplant them really soon. The roses, all the beautiful yellow roses and red roses that were right here are kind of fading and dying back, and I'm waiting for the next round of beautiful ones to come in. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for this part. Do it for real for this part of the garden walk. Thank you so much for everybody, for all the new subscribers, and those of you guys who continue to watch my videos and continue to ride on me with this journey. I appreciate you so much, and I'm so thankful that you are watching the videos, liking the videos, sharing the videos. And once again, thank you to all the new subscribers and those of you who have been loyal subscribers who do watch, like, and subscribe and share. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. That is going to do it. And happy Monday to everyone. And you know that I have to say it because I always do, but grow with love, everybody. We need more love, not less. So whatever you do, whatever you're planting, whatever you're planning, do it with love. Have a great Monday.